Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to save a place on TripAdvisor. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to save a place on TripAdvisor. Maybe because you have seen a place that you want to save because you are going on a vacation, or maybe you're planning to go on a place as a vacation, so you're looking for different places that you could visit. So you want to save them so whenever the time comes, you can visit them. Or there could be any other reason for you to add places as your saved ones on TripAdvisor. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed a TripAdvisor. If you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it gets installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. It will just take a while to load, and after that you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have some options at the top of the screen and some options at the bottom as well. And into the middle of the screen we have some places that you could visit. If you're going for a stay, you can stay there. If you're looking for restaurants, then you can also find them. So once we have gone through all these pages and things, and now you want to save a place because you really liked it, so whenever the time comes, you could visit it or you can share it with your other friends. Maybe you're going on a trip with your group or maybe friends, so you just want to save a place so that when you get free on your vacation, you can visit it. So let's say we have find this place that you're interested in visiting. Once this place open, you will go through all of its images, its title, its detail, price, and all the things related to that place. And once you find this place good and now you want to save it, so what else you could do is that you could see we have this option at the top of the screen, which is the heart icon. Once you tap onto that option, this place will be added as your favorite on this app. So just simply tap onto this option, and at the bottom you will see a pop-up which says that this place has been added as saved in your list. So now let's get back and add another place into our saved list, and we will see how we can access to it. So let's say I have found this place, so just simply click onto this option. Once the place open, you will go through all the images, title, description, price, and everything. Now if you want to again save this place, just go on the top and click onto this heart option. And once you tap onto that option, under it you will get a notification which says that this place has been added as your save. So now if you want to get access to your saved place, therefore you have to get back to your explore section. Once you get there, at the bottom you could see we have these 5 options at the bottom. You have to click onto this option which says plan. It also has a heart icon. Once you click onto it, after that you have to click on this saved option, and there you will see all the saved places that you have saved on this app. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can save places on TripAdvisor. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.